Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can change language on the Google or Chrome, because sometimes we need to change our language on the Google and Chrome for better understanding. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Google. So here, for example, I will search. So you can see when I will search, so all the information I receive in English. So if I want to change language, then I will click on profile icon, and here you will see the options of setting. Click on here, and then you will see the options of other setting. Click on here, and here you will see language and region options. Click on here, and here you will see search language. Click on it, and here you can select any language according to you. So after selecting language, here you will see search regions, and you can select regions. So in this way you can change language and region on the Google. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.